Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. 0 to 5 seconds. Are you tired of office equipment that slows you down, clutters your space, and costs a fortune to maintain? What if one device could handle all your document needs with speed, precision, and incredible efficiency? Well, today we're taking a deep dive into the Epson WorkForce Pro WF-M5899 Monochrome Multifunction printer. And trust me, this isn't just another printer, it's an office powerhouse. First off, let's talk about the sheer versatility packed into this machine. The WF-M5899 isn't just a printer, it's a full-fledged multifunction device, combining a lightning-fast copier, a reliable fax machine, a high-quality scanner, and, of course, an exceptional printer, all in one sleek unit. Think about the implications for your workspace. Instead of 4 separate devices taking up valuable real estate, you have one streamlined solution. This doesn't just save space. It simplifies your workflow, reduces cable clutter, and makes managing your office much easier. Imagine scanning a document, emailing it, and then printing a hard copy, all from the same intuitive control panel. It's about consolidating power and simplifying operations, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters for your business. But what truly sets the WF-M5899 apart in the monochrome printing world? Its incredible speed. We're talking about a first print speed of just 4.8 seconds for monochrome documents. That means no more hovering impatiently by the printer for that urgent single-page report. Need to churn out a larger batch? The ISO mono print speed clocks in at a blistering 25 pages per minute. In a busy office environment, time is money, and this printer is designed to save you both. Picture this. You're on a tight deadline, multiple team members need documents printed ASAP, and the WF-M5899 handles it all without breaking a sweat. This kind of speed isn't just a spec. It's a tangible benefit that boosts productivity, keeps projects moving, and eliminates those frustrating bottlenecks that can derail an entire workday. It ensures your workflow remains smooth and efficient, even during peak demand. Now, you might be thinking, monochrome only? In this day and age? And that's precisely where the Epson WF-M5899 shines brightest for its target audience. By focusing solely on monochrome print capability, Epson has engineered this device to be an absolute champion for businesses and individuals who primarily print text-heavy documents, invoices, reports, and contracts. Why pay for expensive color ink cartridges you rarely use? This dedicated monochrome inkjet system means incredible efficiency and significantly lower running costs compared to color-capable printers. Plus, its recommended use is for plain paper print, ensuring consistent, crisp, and professional-looking black and white documents every single time. It's about delivering uncompromising quality and reliability for your everyday business needs, ensuring every word is sharp and every line is clear without unnecessary overhead. The Epson WorkForce Pro WF-M5899 isn't just a piece of hardware. It's an investment in efficiency, productivity, and smart resource management for any office that demands consistent, high-volume monochrome output. With its robust multifunctionality, blazing fast print speeds, and cost-effective monochrome focus, it's built to handle the rigorous demands of modern business while keeping your budget in check. If you're ready to revolutionize your document workflow, streamline your office, and enjoy reliable, rapid printing, then this is the printer you've been waiting for. Ready to bring this powerhouse into your workspace? You can find all the details and purchase links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest innovations. Go make your work